Okay, let us examine these questions, which requires students to interpret this graph. Is a straight line graph, length of spring. So when you see this type of graphing, right, you highlight this part. So this is the length of spring. And the other one is the weight. So you can highlight this one or you circle this. And this is the weight. So this is a straight line graph. You notice because it's the length of spring, that's why it doesn't start from 0. Okay, when there's no weight, the length of the spring is 4 centimeter. So 4 centimeter is the original length. So what weight will stretch the spring by 4 cm? So as you know, right, so original length is 4. If you want to stretch another 4, right, is 8. Okay, so you look at this part at 8. So you dot a line across and you dot it down. You should get exactly 200. So this answer is 200. And do remember to put in the units, 200 grams. Okay, next, when the weight used was 350, a line has been drawn for you. What was the extension? So do take note here. They ask you for extension, but the graph here is the length. So you must do one step. So 350, you will see it corresponds to a length of 11 centimeters. But 11 centimeter, that is the total length. So you have to do 11 cm minus the original length, 4 cm, you get 7 cm. That's the answer for this. So there's 7 centimeters. Okay, next. This question is actually P4's topic on matter. Okay, once you see this question, important thing is you highlight the capacity of the container. Okay, so this two container has the same capacity of 120 cm3. So what is the volume of air in each container? So they say this person push in, right, 70 from here on the left and 220 from the right, push inside. So these two answers should be the same, which is 120. And then how do you explain? So let me do a screen share of the answer here. Okay, so this is the part A, part B. So both containers, you should get 120 cubic centimeter, or you can write 120 cm cube. Both should be the same. So here actually, you need to explain for container A and for container B. So for container A, right, container A is 120 cm cube because air does not have a definite volume. It occupies the total volume of the container, which is 120. Okay, but for B is something different. Is you're squeezing 220 cm cube of air into 120. So this need to be compressed. So another property of air is because air doesn't have a definite volume and can be compressed. So there are two reasons for that. Okay, so this is 120 cm cube. Okay, the reason I wrote cubic centimeter because it's difficult to find the superscript for the 3. Actually, I can find it here. You have to do one more step. Okay, 120 cm cube. Okay, and for B is also 120 cm cube. Okay, because air doesn't have a definite volume and can be compressed. Okay, so this is done for this. Okay, let's proceed to the next question. So we have done this. Okay, this one I will pause for you to think through in the next recording.